Hey viewers.
Why do you say it like that?
That's what you're supposed to say.
No. Hey viewers. I have like 3.
So we landed in Lisbon. Wasted about 6 hours doing absolute.
I flew from Montreal to Lisbon on Wednesday.
And I live in Madrid.
He's there temporarily for school, he means.
I'm technically an EU citizen, so I just flew down. It's a quick 1 hour flight for me. Not as bad as Montreal to.
A wink on the plane. Okay, but you had an hour flight. Anyways, I didn't sleep on the plane. So then we got to Lisbon. I was so tired. And we had to wait like 4 hours for a train. So then once we got on the train, I think I slept for like 2 hours. But the train took 4 hours instead of 4.
I was holding the fort down, watching Lost.
Anyways, now we're at our Airbnb in Albufeira. So we're going to go check it out. Went for breakfast. It was really good.
Met some English guy.
It started pouring though. It was super sunny, then it poured, and now we're just going for a walk. Okay, wanna give me an outfit check?
Yeah, okay. Uniqlo.
Okay, it's good. What about your
White.
jeans? Your jeans are Levi's?
Levi's.
Okay.
You like knockoff Air Force Ones.
Okay. And what about
Apple Watch.
Okay.
North Face quarter zip. Actually, it's more like a half zip. Yeah, that's it. Alright, outfit check. Go, hit me.
Okay, so my top is from H&M. My coat's from Decathlon. My socks are from Target. My shoes are from Winners, but they're Solomon, so they're pretty nice.
Very cute.
And my leggings are Lululemon.
Winners is like Marshalls for you
Is that
Americans.
good?
That's very good. Don't put that in, please.
So we just finished breakfast and now we're hungry. So we don't really know what to do. It's been 30 minutes since we finished our breakfast.
Fatty alert.
Just so you guys don't think Antoine's beating me up, my horse did this to me.
It's a hickey.
It's not a hickey. He burnt me with his halter when he like swiped his head in my face. So just so you guys know, I'm not being beaten up.
Yeah.
So after going to the beach yesterday, we just went grocery shopping, so I didn't film anything. But now we're heading to a boat tour to go see, how do we say it? Benadryl?
Benadryl.
I don't think that's how we say it, but
In Portuguese.
the cave, and apparently there's gonna be dolphins too. So we're heading there right now. We're probably gonna be late because we're walking, but we'll see. This is steep. So we went on a boat tour earlier. We didn't see any dolphins, but it was fun. And then we went for lunch, and now we're hiking. I don't really know where, but it's kind of sketch, but really fun.
It's very cool.
Today we are going for a hike. It's supposed to rain a lot later. Right now it's what, is it 12 o'clock? Well, it's like 11:30.
11:30.
And we're going to the 7 Hanging Valleys trail. We just got here. We took an Uber from Albufeira to Playa, was it de Marinha? Can't pronounce it. Anyways, look at the view of this trail. This is the starting point. It's crazy. So we're now at Praia de Caradura. I can't pronounce it. It's teeming down with rain, but the views are really nice. This is not my camera, I can't switch it. So yesterday on the boat tour, one of the stops was Benazil Cave, and we couldn't go in because it was too wavy, but on our hike we stopped by it, so we're gonna go see what it looks like from the top. How are you enjoying this?
I'm loving it. Super refreshed, super warm. It's nice views though, it's very cool.
I feel like it's warmer in Canada, to be honest.
Yeah, right now especially.
It's like, hell no. I'm going this way. So we just found this hole in the ground. So I think this is how you get to the beach. Yesterday on the boat tour, they told us that like old fishermen carved tunnels and stuff. So I'm guessing this is one of them.
Not supposed to say it. Oh, dude.
I guess this is the old fisherman thing. Wow, that's so cool. It goes all the way up. Stay there. We found our dog again. I want to call him Tiger, but I might get too attached if I give him a name. He actually just jumped on me. I got a little scared. Left some marks on my jacket, but it's fine. So now, oh my god, my hair. We're actually a lot further than we thought we were. We thought we were at the end. So basically it goes from Praia de Marinha or something, and it goes all the way to Carvoeiro. And we're actually 46 minutes away from Carvoeiro, and I thought we were there, so I'm starting to get a bit hungry. And there's like a really, it says like danger coastal storm warning. So this will be interesting. Hopefully we'll get there in one piece. I think we'll be fine, but it is getting a little sketch. All these seashells are fossilized. It's so cool. Makes Quebec seem so dull.